Hello friends, today's topic, if you have IT stocks, don't miss this video. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday, Accenture, which is a leading IT company in US and globally, cut its revenue growth estimate for the year 2024 from 2 to 5% to only 1 to 3%. Accenture business has been struggling due to weak demand for its IT and consulting services. During COVID, companies had given huge orders for IT services and now they are spending less than 2 to 3 years and hence lower growth in revenues of IT companies all over the world. This indicates economic uncertainty in global markets. It is expected that Indian IT companies also will face weak growth in their business in the coming few quarters. Due to this, the shares of Infosys and Wipro fell in the US markets yesterday. Today in the Indian markets, due to negative sentiment towards IT companies, Nifty IT index fell up to 3% before recovering slightly but still closed 2.3% down. Individual stocks are down between 1 to 3%. Performance of top Indian IT companies. 1. TCS, change today minus 1.56%, approximate current price 3911. 2. Infosys, change today minus 2.95, approximate current price 1509. 3. Wipro, minus 2.67% today and approximate current price 487. 4. HCL Tech, minus 2.38% today and 1558 is the CMP. Fifth company, Tech Mahindra, percentage change today minus 1.57%, approximate current price 1263. Usually, how Accenture performs, Indian IT companies also perform similarly. Some brokerage companies such as CLSA believe that due to the downward revision in Accenture revenue expectation, there will be no major recovery in their business in the second half of 2024. The brokerage is cautious on the domestic Indian IT sector. However, some brokerage companies feel that the stock price of IT companies has already factored in weak growth in business in 2024, and hence the risk of downgrade of stock price is limited. After 2022 and 2023 being dull years for IT stocks in India, 2024 was expected to be better for the business, but as of now, there seems to be no signs of strong growth. Now in front of you is the Nifty IT index 2019 to 2024. There was good growth in the initial stages. Later it has gone to sideways movement. 11,200 to 38,700, now at 35,300 after approximately 3 years. IT sector has been consolidating for more than 2 years now. Whenever the business improves in US and Europe, there may be huge rally in Indian IT stocks. The January-March 2024 quarterly results will be announced by mid-April. As of now, results may be only average, and if it comes below expectations of analysts, then the IT stocks would fall, which would put downward pressure on overall markets too. We should not be very surprised the results are weak. Infosys results are coming on 18th April 2024, HCL Tech 26th April, Wipro not decided yet, TCS the date is not decided yet. During the last 1 year, Nifty IT index had appreciated by 25%, which is slightly lower than the returns of Nifty 50 of 28%. The hope is that when interest rates are cut in the US in the second half of 2024, business of IT companies may improve and lead to share price rally. Although IT companies have sufficient scope to grow in the long term, when the entire sector has been consolidating for more than 2 years, it affects the confidence of investors. That is why it is said that even though stock market may be profitable in the long term, all investors may not make good profits. Let us wait and see what happens to IT stocks in 2024. End of the video. Here is a question. Foreign exchange rate is around rupees 83 per US dollar. If the rupee value falls further, how does it impact revenue of IT companies? Choice A, benefit for IT companies. Choice B, disadvantage for IT companies. Choice C, don't know. If you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.